The rocks on this beach were not always smooth and round. You decide. How did these rocks get so smooth and round? Over many, many years, the action of waves and the process of rocks rubbing against each other caused them to become rounded. Over time, the rocks also became smaller. Weathering is the process responsible for breaking down rocks and other materials on Earth's surface into smaller and smaller pieces. Some agents of weathering include moving water, ice, and even chemicals in rainwater. The Grand Canyon, which is nearly a mile deep, has been worn down over millions of years by weathering. The Colorado River at the bottom of the canyon is responsible for carrying away materials weathered from the canyon walls. Erosion is the process of transporting weathered rocks, particles, and sediments from one place to another. So, through the process of weathering and erosion, rocks are broken down into smaller and smaller pieces, which are then carried away by moving water, wind, or other forces to another place.